Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Most front-load washer repairs require some disassembly of the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the power cord first. To reach components like the thermistor, the rotor, and the stator assembly, first remove the screws securing the rear panel. Now shift the panel up and pull it out from the bottom to remove. To remove the stator assembly, use a 19mm socket and strike it with a mallet to help loosen the rotor mounting bolt. Unthread the bolt and pull off the rotor. Next, disconnect the wires from the stator sensor. Use a 10mm socket to remove the mounting bolts securing the stator. You can now pull off the stator assembly. Reinstall the stator by aligning it on the tub bearing housing. Replace the mounting bolts to secure. Reconnect the wires to the sensor on the stator. Reposition the rotor. Thread the mounting bolt and tighten with the socket and mallet. Reinstall the rear panel by inserting the upper tabs into the slots. Then align the lower tabs and push the panel down. Replace the screws. To access components like the water inlet valves and the pressure switch, remove the screws at the back securing the top panel. Now slide the panel back and lift it off. To replace the user control and display board, you will need to remove the control panel. To do this, first pull out the dispenser tray and depress the tab in the back to fully remove. Now remove the dispenser mounting screws. Slide the dispenser back and carefully pull the control panel off from the top. Disconnect the two wire harnesses to fully release the panel. To uninstall the front panel, first use needle nose pliers to remove the retaining wire and spring from the door boot seal. Pull the seal away from the lip of the front panel. Remove the mounting screws to release the door latch assembly. Open and detach the filter access door and release the drain tube from the retaining tab. Next, remove the screws inside the filter housing securing the front panel. Now carefully lift the front of the washer up and support it. You can now remove the screws at the bottom securing the front panel. If you intend to remove the pump assembly from the washer, now is a good time to detach the assembly wire retainer from the base. Remove the support and gently lower the washer back down. Remove the mounting screws on top of the front panel. Now use a flathead screwdriver to depress the locking tabs to release the front panel from the frame. Detach the recirculation hose from the retaining brackets on the panel. You can now fully remove the panel to access components like the pump assembly and the front tub shock absorbers. To reassemble the washer, first snap the pump assembly wire retainer into the base, if applicable. Reinstall the front panel by aligning the slots in the panel with the tabs on the base. Secure the recirculation hose in the retaining brackets. Make sure the door latch assembly is inside the cabinet, and snap the top half of the panel into position. Replace the screws on top. Lift and support the washer. Then replace the screws on the bottom. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Replace the screws in the filter housing. Secure the drain tube under the retaining tab. Reattach the filter access door and snap it closed. Now realign the door latch assembly in the front panel and replace the mounting screws. Align the boot seal on the lip of the front panel. Replace the retaining wire and spring to secure. Replace the control panel by first reconnecting the wire harnesses. Now insert the control panel tabs into the slots in the trim and snap the top half of the panel into place. Reposition the dispenser and replace the mounting screws. Slide the tray into place. Reposition the top panel by aligning the edge of the panel with the tabs on the support bracket, then push forward. Replace the screws in the back. With the washer fully reassembled, plug the power cord back in and confirm that the appliance is working properly.